Hi everyone, I'm James Ruffing, Senior Client Engagement Coordinator at Fleet Response. I'm excited to head up our upcoming 2023 Summer Internship program. This is a great opportunity for you to meet executives, apply what you've learned in your collegiate studies, and network with other peers while working on special projects. This is also a great opportunity to gain real-world knowledge that applies across many different majors and fields. Opportunities include claims, accounting, marketing, IT, and client engagement business development.
Hello, my name is Alex Marcia. I'm a student at Rochester Institute of Technology. I'm studying computing security and minoring in Russian. I think the greatest life business lesson that I learned while working at Fleet Response was definitely the importance of deadlines and setting goals for yourself.
Hi, my name is Erica Peterson, and I was an intern with Fleet Response in the summer of 2020. During my time as an intern, we got the chance to hear from a variety of different leaders within the company talk about their own life and business experiences and also how that plays into their role at the company. That was a great time to ask questions and really get to know why people like what they do and what people are good at. It's a good way to learn. In addition, we were given mentors during our time as interns, and those were great resources to ask questions to, learn from their experiences.
Hi, my name is Joseph Casper, and I attend the University of Kentucky, and I'm majoring in finance. And the biggest lesson that I learned from my internship experience at Fleet Response was that the relationships that you build with the people around you is probably the most important thing as far as being a successful business.
Hi, my name is Devna Bliss-Hozak, and I was a summer intern in the year 2022. I now work for Fleet Response part-time. I am a claims specialist. The culture here was very great. Everybody was very helpful when I had questions. All the employees are wonderful here.
If I were to describe the culture at Fleet Response, I would say it's very open and caring, and it's also very fun. Fleet Response is very good at doing employee events and raffles and just fun stuff like that, and it was great to be a part of it.
And ways that I would describe the culture at Fleet Response are definitely welcoming and inclusive. I felt welcomed into the Fleet Response community right away, and I felt like there was no one that I couldn't ask questions to. Everyone was there to help. Everyone wanted to get to know us as interns.
The culture at Fleet Response is what made me want to go to work every day. It made it enjoyable. Just overall, the culture is a huge part of the company and why everyone that works there likes working there.
If you're interested, please send your resumes to jruffing@fleetresponse.com. Apply via the ADP link or QR code. We look forward to meeting you and seeing you this summer.